host, please.
My name is Heimir Hallgrimsson.
Okay, great.
You say it.
Oh, Heimir. Heimir
Hallgrimsson.
Hallgrimsson.
Yeah.
All right. Get in there. A local base camp. What are the objectives? Are there specific players that you're looking to be part of the setup going forward?
Yeah, we're always doing that. So this gives us a great opportunity to see players that normally we could not see. And like I've said before, I'm really grateful for the teams and the coaches in the JPL league to leave the players to be allowed them to come here because it's not usual, and we are really grateful to the clubs to allow them to come. So it's good for us to see these players and work with them, get to know them personally, and to see them on the training sessions in the environment that we like to be working in. Just more tactical, so it's not like a heavy load sessions. So it's more about tactics. Today was about build up, and no, we just, it's good for them to show us what they can do, and it's good for us to see what they can offer to us. So there's always players that we think are exciting. Now we decided to pick players that we haven't been working a lot with, so haven't been a part of our setup. So it's nice to see some new faces, good players, and these are mostly players that have been playing well in the league at late. So yeah, I was really pleased with the first session.
Okay. Tactically, do you want to see the clubs, pretty much in line with the national team based on your tactical approach here?
No, I'm not asking for that. And it would be fair to the coaches. Of course, they play the way they think is best for them to win matches, and that is how we do as well. So we are not restricted to any tactical formations. But probably when we introduce the things we are doing to the coaches, probably they will pick up some of the things they want to do in their clubs, hopefully. So for example, some defensive principles, etc.
All right. Game in March against the United States, the Nations League. Can we expect to see more local camps in the build-up to those games?
Yeah. So the plan is to be constantly doing camps until beginning of March. So we will be both doing every other week here in Kingston sessions, but we'll also try to move the trainings to the parishes and even play some matches against parish all-star teams. So just to, both for me to see Jamaica a little bit more, but also to see the players in the parishes and just allow the people to see these players in action. Some parishes don't have a Premier League club, so it's nice if we can do that, go into the parishes.
And it's said to be a busy year for the Reggae Boyz. What about friendly games? Well, of course, we have Copa coming up and also World Cup qualifiers. Are there any specific teams that you want to play in between those tournaments or qualification?
No, all FIFA windows are occupied. So until 2026, all FIFA windows are occupied with official matches. And that is just the reality when we qualify for the Nations League semi-final, when we qualify for Copa America. It's, all FIFA windows are gone, so we don't have any chance to play friendlies in FIFA windows. But we want, and the plan is to play Trinidad twice in Trinidad in the end of, or the beginning of March, and that would be kind of the end of this domestic camps tour. And hopefully that will be some good games where the players can show in an international game how good they are.
Okay, Coach, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.